with intro. Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more education. Be ready for the legal passage. Ready? Start. It is submitted that the settlement was arrived at between the parties on 15th November, 2008 and on 21st March, 2009 the revisionist wife had received rupees 3 lakhs as part of her items, therefore, she is not entitled for any further maintenance, full stop. The respondent submitted that the present petition is not maintainable as the revisionist wife is living separately on her own accord, full stop. The gross allegations of the revisionist wife regarding abuse or ill treatment on account of alleged demand of dowry are totally false and are nothing but tactics to extort money from him, full stop. It is submitted that the revisionist wife is a graduate and is capable enough to work and earn money for herself, whereas, the respondent himself is only a fifth standard pass, full stop. Moreover, he is living in a rented property and has to take care of his old and ailing parents as well, for which he does not have sufficient means, full stop. It is submitted that if the maintenance is enhanced, he will suffer miserably and will not be able to survive with the minimum means available, full stop. It is further submitted that the court below has passed a well reasoned judgment after considering the entire facts of the case as well as the evidence, documents and other materials available on record related to the income of the respondent, full stop. In the instant case, there are no errors apparent on the facts or record, and there is no illegality committed by the court below, full stop. Therefore, the instant petition is devoid of merits and is, therefore, liable to be dismissed, full stop. This court has heard learned counsel of the revisionist and respondent in person at length and perused the record, full stop. It is submitted that the petitioner is a proprietorship firm engaged in manufacturing of boxes, packaging material and other material which is used in logistic industry for safe transportation of goods, full stop. Respondent is stated to be a supplier of plywood and other wooden material used in the manufacturing of corrugated boxes and other packaging material by the petitioner, full stop. Respondent claimed an outstanding amount qua the petitioner in respect of goods supplied by it to the petitioner in the year 2016, full stop. Claim was filed by the respondent before the Haryana and one of 13 small enterprises facilitation council, claiming, full stop. It is contended that the matter was referred for arbitration without any valid order being passed on conciliation proceedings under the माइक्रो कॉमा स्मॉल एंड मीडियम एंटरप्राइजेज डेवलपमेंट एक्ट कॉमा 2006 फुल स्टॉप एंड ओवर। सो ये हमारी डिक्टेशन थी, नियर अबाउट 80 WPM। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस ऑन डेली बेसिस। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।